Okay, I want to show what I've been wearing. Going on 2 weeks now. How long it's been? This is the Bodyguard 2.0.
By Smith and Wesson.
And we were having trouble finding a holster for it. But we come across this one. It's a P365 holster. And almost, I want to say, out of the like 50 holsters we went through, about 15 of them was P365 and all of them but 2 fitted. So it fits. The only issue I was having is the mag release was getting pushed right here. So I just dremeled it out a little bit where it wouldn't push on it. But this is my carry gun. If anybody has any questions, I've been trying it out for about 2 weeks now and I'm going to keep trying it. This is my coat Python. And I had it custom engraved. This is my everyday carry. Until just recently, I've been trying out the Bodyguard 2.0, but this stays with me still. These are the engravings I got.